Good day, everyone. Welcome to our microeconomic video presentation. Today, we'll show you how basic microeconomic concept apply to a small business. Our example is a mini coffee stall called Men's Brew Coffee, located in front of our school. Through this business, we can explain the important concepts such as utility, cost, production, profit, and factors of production. But before we start, I would like to introduce the members of the group: Albert Alburo, Elmer Bersadi, Wendell Bersadi, Remel Dumutan, and Reniel Villanueva. So first, part 1, utility and diminishing margin utility. Our first concept is utility, which means satisfaction or happiness you get from consuming a product. In our example, a student named Marco buys our iced coffee. The first cup makes him very happy. The second cup still tastes great but gives less satisfaction. With the third cup, the enjoyment drops, and the fourth cup doesn't make him happy anymore. This shows the law of diminishing marginal utility. The more you consume, the less additional satisfaction you get.
Explicit and implicit cost. To operate Men's Brew Coffee, we incur two types of cost. Explicit costs are actual payments, rent for 3,000, ingredients for 2,500, and cups for 1,000. On the other hand, implicit costs are not paid in cash but still count as costs. These include our time working at the stall instead of having a part-time job, personal coffee grinder. These represent opportunities we give up to run the business.
Fixed and variable costs. Our store also faces fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs stay the same no matter how many cups we sell, such as stall rent and monthly payment for our coffee machine. Variable costs change depending on production, milk, cups, sugar, syrups, and electricity increase when we sell more. These two types of costs help us estimate our total expenses.
Production and profit relationship. As we add workers, production changes. One worker makes around 20 cups per hour. Two workers can produce 40 cups. But when we add a third worker in the small stall, they start to bump into each other. Production becomes only 45 cups. This shows the production-profit relationship. More workers help at first, but adding too many decreases efficiency. To calculate profit, we use the formula profit equals total revenue minus total cost.
Factors of production. Every business uses the factors of production. For Men's Brew Coffee, land is the small space we rent. Labor refers to our group members and helpers who prepare and serve coffee. Capital includes our equipment like the coffee machine, grinder, tables, cooler, and measuring tools. This resource allows us to produce our products.
Application of all concepts. All these concepts work together in Men's Brew Coffee. Customers experience utility. Our business pays explicit and implicit costs. We manage fixed and variable expenses. Our production levels affect our profit, and we rely on the factors of production to operate. Through this small coffee stall, microeconomic concepts become easier to understand.
To conclude, in this video, we learn how microeconomics guides decision-making in small businesses. By understanding these concepts, entrepreneurs can operate smarter and more efficiently.